Hi, my name's Chase.
Marin.
And we are the Castle Couple. It is a bit later than when this video was taken.
Yeah.
But we forgot to take an intro. So this is going to be our intro to the video. So in this video, we went to Coronado Springs for a staycation when we came home from Australia last year.
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know. I mean, I was excited I am excited. I was excited.
You were excited. It happened a long time ago. It's May.
I was excited about the Three Caballeros themed rooms, as well as trying the Mercado Coronado, as well as Rick's Sports Bar, which that was really cool. So yeah, just checking out the pool, going to the parks in the evening, and not having to drive home, drive back the next day, and all that. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, we're here 6745.
The Caballeros are on the water in Ranchos, number 6745. And here is our view.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
So first we got a window and a chair and the Three Caballeros. And then we got Keurig with 50th coffee.
Are you kidding me? The Keurig? Really?
With the 50th coffee.
With the 50th coffee, and there's creamer in the back.
Here's one bed.
Getting unpacked.
Here's some more of the Three Caballeros art. And here's the other bed. Here's the little dresser desk thing. And it keeps a little flap on the screen. Wow, look at him.
It's like it's like a desk and like dresser all in one. It's kind of nice. I'll be able to sit and do my work there in the morning.
Here I am. Hi. Here's Chase.
Hello.
We have like barn style doors. You want to show them how the doors work?
Welcome to the haunted range.
To our bathroom. We have two sinks. Me again. Hello. Some storage over there. And this big closet over here.
That is a really big closet. Very tall closet.
Then we have the bathroom over here. Shower, tub, all the necessities. And Chase again.
Show them the door. How the handle works.
So the door works like this. You push the button. Bam! And you pull it closed. So that is our winter room.
Good morning. Well, I guess it's good afternoon. We slept in real late this morning at the hotel. We're at Coronado Springs in the Ranchos. You guys saw a room tour yesterday. Yeah, I know. Today we are going to do Christmas party, hence the Christmas attire. We are going to go get lunch at Mercado Coronado. Right? That's the name of it? El Mercado Coronado. And we'll show you guys a little bit around the resort as we're walking through. So yeah. Alright, so we're in like the center of the resort on the three bridges. So it's like almost like what would you call it, like a wheel spoke? So it connects like where we came from was the Ranchos, so that was back that way. This is Villa del Lago. Like the little, I can't even think about what the actual name of it was. We looked at the reservations. We didn't. We were going Rick's tomorrow. So, but it connects like all the different sides. You can see the tower there, the Gran Destino Tower, and we're gonna go over aquí for some lunch. Gonna go get some lunch. We're at Rick's Sports Bar, we're having breakfast, and we're watching a little bit about football. What's today? Today's Friday. Is football on today? Sorry. So we're at Rick's. I got the orange juice with steak and egg skillet. My brain is going slow. Okay, I've been up since 5. So I got the steak and egg skillet. I'm excited. What'd you get, Aaron?
I got the breakfast burrito.
That sounded good. That was my other option. But you took it, so now he gets. And we're wearing our Caballero shirts. This one's from Disney. The outlet.
Alright, our food is here. I have a burrito and breakfast potatoes. What is that?
Steak and eggs skillet.
We're gonna eat now.
Yeah, we are.
Alright.
So we finished the breakfast at Rick's Sports Bar and Grill. What'd you think?
Mine was good.
Mine was so good. I finished like the whole thing. I could have licked the plate clean. That's how good it was. I love steak.
I couldn't finish mine. It was huge.
It was huge. It was giant. What do you want to do now? You want to walk around the resort a little bit before we check out?
Walk around, show you guys around a little bit more.
Yeah. We'll probably take some pictures because we have our 3 Caballero shirts on today. So yeah, today's our checkout day, so we're just going to kind of hang out the last little bit. And there's sad face.
Where are we?
We are over at Grand Destino Tower. We decided to come over here and take a look around. It smells nice in here. So now we're in the plaza of the Grand Destino Tower. There's a cool boat out there scooping up seaweed, or I guess it's not seaweed, it's like umbrella.
Yeah.
Water, right?
You can see him over there.
We're walking back to we're gonna go across the 3 bridges. Then we'll go back to the ranchos.
Ranchos.
And we will show you a little bit around outside of the rooms. And yeah. What are you laughing at?
Walking over the bridges.
Walking over the 3 bridges, named after the 3 pieces of bridges that go to the 3 different sections.
Thank you, Chase.
I am Detroit, guys. Left, water. Go right, more water and a fountain.
Alright, so now what are we walking past?
Villa del Lago. There's another name for it. I don't remember what it is. Is that? I don't know. I think there's another name for it. We're walking down to the restaurant. We're going to try this next time we come. They're open 4:30 to midnight daily. We're going to take some pictures.
So we're still on the bridges.
Yep. We're going towards the ranchos, not
There you go.
rancheros.
Yep. So we're gonna pass the pool.
We're gonna pass through the pool, by where the arcade is. We haven't gone in the arcade. Maybe we'll sneak in the arcade real quick. The Siesta's pool bar is over here as well. This is like the main pool. It's called the Dig Site.
The dig site.
So it's like a Mayan themed. It's got a Jaguar slide. We didn't use it this time. It was really cold. The day we were supposed to do it, we got up and it's not going to sound cold. It was 65 degrees. And, yeah, we were like, that's a little too chilly for us to be in the pool running around.
So yeah, we'll show you the pool if there's not many people there, but.
Yeah.
So here's the pool. And here's Chase.
Biden.
What are we doing?
We're in the arcade, bros. So we played skee ball, which Aaron won. We played basketball, which that's a skee ball, but it's basketball. And I won by 5. Now, I don't know what we're going to play next. What do you want to play?
It's a whole bunch. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? It's a bunker! I lost it!
It's time for a bonus game.
What do we got? Pass through the brains. Hello friends. It is time to check out. We're a little late. Checkout's at 11. It's like 11:15 or 11:20. So we're gonna head out. This was a great staycation. I really like this hotel.
The hotel's cute.
Yeah, it's cute. I like the little 3 Caballeros theming, and the beds were super comfy. I had really good night's sleep.
Do you want to hold it? I'm like cutting off your hair.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're
So
too
yeah,
tall for me.
that's gonna do it for us here for our Coronado Springs staycation. Christmas edition. So, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more Disney content and Australia content, kind of. There's more of that coming soon when we go back to school. So, yeah. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok at The Castle Couple. And, yeah, that's going to do it for us here. You have anything else?
I like the caviar.
You like the caviar? All right, well, we'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys around the kingdom. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, well, you could have waited to do the lawn and I would have done it. Okay, well, from now on, you need to tell me so I can do it.
Alright guys, so that was our stay at Coronado Springs.
Yeah. Had a great time. Was a little bummed out we couldn't eat at Mercado Coronado. But it's
We didn't
fine.
read that well.
We didn't read that well.
That was completely our fault. Yeah.
And we slept in, and it was bad. So, I had fun at the parks. I enjoyed the hotel. I think this is one of, like, my favorite hotels. I mean, they're all my favorite, really. But, this was one of my, like, more favorite hotels, I guess, if that makes any sense. I really liked the theming of the rooms. They were clean. I liked how they redid them and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. You have anything else?
Oh, it was fun.
Yeah. So that's going to do it for us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content coming soon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. See you around the kingdom. Bye.
Bye.